When Andrew and I first met, we bonded over a love for travel and the thrill of seeing the world. We quickly created a bucket list of things we'd like to do together. On the top of that list, a cooking class in Rome. We never thought we'd see the day so soon as we did, but we couldn't have been more overjoyed when we had the opportunity to take this cooking class while visiting Rome last summer. We took this cooking class with a local chef who taught us how to make pasta from scratch and tiramisu for dessert. It was a really great experience and we can't wait to share it with you all.
And with the other hand, and this is all the way up. One side is the end, alright? That's good. Oh, yeah, happy to. Yeah. I think you want to finish this for you. Yeah.
They both contain guanciale.
We loved this cooking class so much that we bought a pasta maker and have been making homemade pasta way too often ever since we've returned home from Rome. It's been really fun to recreate this experience at home, although we highly recommend taking a class with the professionals first to learn how to do it.